Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video is the types of doctors ki maming ze khangdok minasi. Animal ki doctor vargadi kai kawi veterinarian doctor. Moi ki degree na mok doctor of veterinary medicine haina DVM ko malay. Ya ki doctor vargadi dentist. And sigi degrees na bachelor of dental surgery haina BDS kawi. BDS tambalo ga master so was na MDS kawi aduna mo different subjects different specialty mamam lay MDS kawi. Now, coming to MBBS doctors, MBBS की full form से कहीं ना Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery है बा. So MBBS से लोरेगा different types of specialties में हम ले मखा चतर दिखाना याम important है वो information हम हाइज़ा होगे MS degree है सिना कोई की PG तो वो की after MBBS surgical branch के वजह ने MD है बस इना medical branch के वजह ने and super specialty दा MCH है सिना surgical branch की after post graduation 3 years masters तौर मतुंग दा another 3 years super specialty degree वजह ने and then DM है सिना medical branch की after 3 years PG masters तौर मतुंग दा super specialty की another 3 years वजह ने so सीजिगा मानबा DNB है बा degree हम ले so MS नत्रगा MD manaba DNB have lay CZ equivalent oi and MCH and DM ga manaba DRNB have lay super specialty degree CJU equivalent oi duni. So makha tabasi video sida aina anywhere MD oigadabani natraga MS oigadabani haiba matamda kana gumogi degrees DNB oigadi adusu chap manai hana lobio and aina anywhere kana gumama neurologist oibagi damakta nephrologist oibagi damakta DM degree paigedamne haibduda DRNB have a degree do paragadi adusu chapmane na dum lobio. So mental health ki doctor jina psychiatrist kawe psychiatrist ka psychologist have ziga manade psychiatrist have zina MBBS tambalorga MD in psychiatry degrees de paragadi psychiatrist oiduni skin gi doctor ze kawe dermatologist after MBBS MD in dermatology and venereology have a MD degree 3 years ke matamaga proper skin doctor skin hair nails kumagi sigi doctor oidune aduna dermatologist kawe bone doctor na orthopedic or orthopedician kawe MS orthopedics haina master's degree matamba matungda after MBBS bone doctor oidune then nerve ki koigi brain spinal cord ki medical doctor na neurologist kawe sigi surgeon duna neurosurgeon kawe kidney line mo doctor duna nephrologist kawe medical doctor duna and surgical side ki doctor duna urologist kawe kidney transplant tauba operations tauba kidney ki operation lung ki operation singmari ki operation duna urologist kawe then mid ki doctor na ophthalmologist kawe after MBBS MS in ophthalmology have a degree ma logdoine ENT doctor has na kogi ear nose and throat. This is a medical term that has otorhinolaryngology haina kawe. So after MBBS MS ENT MS otorhinolaryngology haina kawe sigi degrees ina. It's women and childbirth. Women health ina gynecology kawe, childbirth ina obstetrics. So after MBBS MS in obstetrics and gynecology haina kawe sigi degrees e. So any degrees the MS have yarogadi surgical related branch oibane kagino da eye doctor zu midki surgery tawi ENT doctor zu surgery tawi gyne doctor zu obstetrics gynecology and obstetrics ki doctor zu surgery tawi so sigi degree myam jine MS lin oikani bone doctor zu operation tawi so loinamak surgeon oibani na MS oigani and medical degrees like dermatology psychiatry pediatrics sis namu MD degree oikani so angangi doctor zina pediatrician kawe and angangi surgeon lay pediatric surgeon haina now hormones ki doctor lay medicine gi aduna endocrinologist kawe then koigi autoimmune disease haina makhan kan lay adugi yengba doctor zina rheumatologist kaina kawe liver intestine gallbladders gumba yengbase koigi gastroenterologist haina kawi liver khatang bi yengba doctor gana amuk specialty oidune duna hepatologist kaina kautini liver intestine gallbladder sigi puk manungi sigi operation tawbusina gastrosurgeon amuk kautini live and then surgeon haina mayam haina se general surgeon haibadi everything haibane but hozik specialty layamina training matamda masam sai department masam sai branch layamina hana gi type the general surgeon amana loinamak operation tambadi oidre tegino specialty mayam khaidobnina but surgeon ama na dum appendix gallbladder hernia intestine stomach and injuries kumba khakha siloin tobo haigani but henna specialized tauba tongana tamba intestine gi surgery GI tract ki surgery duna surgeon duna gastrosurgeon henna mukawi cancer se ENT doctor na magi area duda leba cancer gadi manasu tawgani head and neck cancer gumba se plastic surgeon na su skin cancer and head and neck surgery tawgani then bone gi cancer ga mai lena bado bone doctor na su tawgani gynae doctor na su gynae ga related over organs ki cancer ya gadi mo na su dum tawgani masam sagi expertise ta lere but tungan na cancer katang omok specialty tambazule oncosurgeon haina oncosurgeons na magi training matamda breast kizu puk kizu gynae kizu head and neck kizu skin kizu loy namak training tarani so cancer related lenang hata yengani so sigi cancer surgeon oi bazdi overlapping oi field oi multiple branches ki general surgeon na zu yengi cancer surgeon na zu yengi ENT na zu bone na zu gynae na zu so sidi overlapping ne lena dugi matung inna then oncologist hairaga surgeon kadang nate medical oncologist haibusu lei medicine tambaloraga cancer gi da specialized tawba aduna mu medical oncologist kawi and then another type of oncologist like radiation oncologist haina radiotherapy tawiba doctor do aduna mu radiation oncologist haina kawi then atopa type ki degrees khar lairi khoi branches khar lairi physical medicine and rehabilitation and PMR so MD PMR oidini sports medicine kan le so MD sports medicine oidini and anesthesiology hanam lady operation to boda khoi painless ohinaba anesthesia thariba doctor gaido aduna anesthesiologist kawi anesthesiology se panghan ba khatang nate khwang da hida ka pa ga khong dang panghan balai khut dang panghan balai khong nam dang panghan balai body part specific on panghan buslai and anesthesiologist singsina mo pain specialist oi akhina yam uncontrollable pain atopa doctor na treat to bangam rakanda pain gi specialized to doctor oi and ICU the critical oi patients myam le do critical care provide to is sizu anesthesiology gi doctor na oi doini then lungs ki doctor na mo pulmonologist kawi adubu pulmonologist se tambagidi after general medicine tama matungda super specialty pulmonology haina tonganba course amlei and after MBBS respiratory medicine haina khoi chest medicine haina amasulai so ani se chawpom di mani but mo izu kha khena balayamgani so I hope you enjoyed this video see videos see the high topics see matang anything hangning ba leragadi in detail aina sigise karamba doctor gi kari degree oigadam no and kamain tammi kari tambaloraga kari tamnai have sisu same gi tawbani but videos yam sangmalani tawtana du part same re mayam na kai gumba du video interested oigadi comments ta haibiro next video the same na tawjar okay thanks a lot for watching next video dong thina say bye